kono taxi drivers and trotro drivers are driver for ashenka for if so on benya was so meto fuel e Star Oil no penifo be chirem kakra sima kakra di animu nia almost wa cheche ne memu yedi amaye wi e Ahwenepa 95.5 FM so betima join Ahwenepa FM YouTube ne so now so we a question bi obi bi apese obusa na fe so what media about Ahwenepa FM YouTube no na bibia so aye kama nti penifo head o mo na be cheche nsem yi ama wo wate ase yi na omogya hokwa de aka no yenso yabo achiri enso e de amount mama penifo akwaba na mama ha 18 after 1 na yini nkomo kakra in Freestyle Oil for akache that time mama akwaba mama ha me say apom boko pa
yesu nyame adom yapom ye boko na ba jo say
nyame adom bibia boko from Andy.
Okay, Mr. friend Bernard.
Okay. Me a sports host unso
Mr. Me a marketing officer.
Good.
Star Oil.
Star Oil. Okay.
Number 1 company in Ghana now.
So good.
Yes,
Sure.
Yes.
No doubt.
No doubt.
Biaje moto.
Yes.
Come on. Jamie, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Everything they cool.
By the grace of God, everything.
Jamie say the twini ye kakra. Jamie ni twini ye.
Twini de atonsi kakra. By be manage.
Be manage kakra. Okay. Enya won kwa na ba so ba ko so say right corner ho. Obeni memo akwa ba. Apom ye boko de. From Andy. Ernest. Okay. Jamie kwa memo Saudi your name.
Senyo.
Oh, okay. Wa mo nyina kwa ba. Enti marketing.
Yes, sir.
Echina official opening in Baso Star Oil, mo new location as Sankari.
Pepe.
Wadaruma, minimum for crowd, we see a team mo, Jumedi, mo share, mo de gua kwanso, any ashenka for. Here, say beto full our Star Oil.
Sir Pepe, me that say, Andy, na. Well, when him says, say, dear, be obe be a ope fango atwa a Star Oil, be a bo Star Oil ding. Oh, and SEO we dear and penny fan who say, Yentmin jar as an carry for a mine on sa, any drabuso. You know, we think we are going to provide a station for you.
Okay. So
now you can also benefit from the quality and affordable fuel that we have in Ghana now from Star Oil. And see, ya be Bakwe was Sankari.
Okay.
Higher internal Yami Watchna, yeah, promotion.
Okay.
I can say, Ukra car, Uber 200 Ghana cities, yeah, the 50 cities back home.
Okay.
Uto 100 any above, so yeah, the 25 back home.
Okay.
Now, motorbikes for so, Okada for so, we've not left them.
Okay.
Almost 50 and above now. At the 12 cities, 50 pesos back home.
Okay.
And I know quite you are cheddar baby or why. It will count dusters, sleepers. Tissue boxes, be break wa. They are celebrating official opening, no. And tina, buy a pa, and see, bo obia who they will say, obian bondiana. On to me, bro, Ochina, you start 6 o'clock a.m.
Okay.
Yes, it's 6 o'clock a.m. and see you targeting first 300 customers.
First 300 customers.
First 300 customers.
Okay.
Bondiana, brand, and a man in your face.
You told